This time I'm going to do something. Or I'll do it later. Most of us neglect our time by saying such things. And we don't even know how much time we are wasting while scrolling on our mobile phones for hours. My grandfather used to say one thing. The one who understands the importance of time in life is the one who neglects the time of life and suffers later. Time is not just limited to the hands of a clock. This is our destiny. It shapes our future. Whoever values time reaches the pinnacle of success, and he who wastes time gets burnt in the fire of regret. So if you too don't want to miss any opportunity in your life, then listen to this story carefully. This is not just a story, it's also a warning. Once upon a time, there lived a very lazy boy in a small village. He always used to do important things late. And because of this, he was lagging behind in his studies and other aspects of life. His family and teachers tried to make him understand the value of time again and again. But he doesn't listen to anything. He was not at all worried about his future, and he used to waste time on almost useless things. One day, a wise man came to that village. He was very famous for his knowledge and wisdom. Many people wanted to meet him and hoped to learn something from him. The lazy boy also thought that if he gave him some life lessons, then maybe he would be able to get ahead of his friends. One day he saw the wise man talking to some people in the park. When the people left, he went to the wise man and said, "Please help me. I consider myself a failure. I am lagging behind my friends and classmates in every field. I also want to be successful. Please tell me how I can move forward." The wise man looked at him with a loving gaze and said, "Son, you are in this problem because you don't understand the value of time. You always put off your work and waste precious moments. I will tell you a story that will help you understand the importance of time." The boy started listening carefully. The wise man started saying, "Once upon a time there was a king who was very kind and generous. He loved his people very much and always helped them. One day, an old friend of his came to meet him who was once his classmate. That friend was poor, unemployed, and that's why he had no respect in the society. He always complained about his misfortune and blamed others for his problems. The king recognized him and felt bad for him. He called his friend and asked about his life's condition. His friend said sadly, "O king, I don't understand why everyone thinks that I am not good at anything. Whenever I apply for a job somewhere, everyone turns me down. My critics tell everyone that I don't do any work on time. Now I don't know what to do." The king said, "Let's make a deal. Before sunset today, you can take as much gold and gems as you want from my treasury, and it will all be yours." The friend was very happy and thanked the king. He ran home and informed his wife. His wife was also very happy and said, "You go now and bring more gold and gems." But he said, "I can't go now, I am very hungry. I will eat something first." His wife quickly prepared the food and he ate it comfortably and thought that he had a lot of time. After eating, he felt sleepy, so he thought of taking a nap and then he would go to the treasury. He lay down, but he was lost in his sleep while dreaming of becoming rich. After 2 hours, his wife woke him up. When he woke up, he saw that it was only noon. So he got angry at his wife for waking him up so early and set off for the palace with some bags. He was feeling very hot in the scorching sun. He thought he would take some rest under this tree and then start his journey again. He sat under the tree and the wind was also very sweet, so as soon as he sat down, he fell asleep again. But this time he was in a deeper sleep. This time too he had the same dream as before. When he woke up, it was evening and the sun was setting. He quickly got up and ran towards the palace. But by then it was too late. The sun had set and the palace doors were closed. The lazy man stood there in despair. He had lost his chance because he had not valued his time. After finishing the story, the wise man looked at the boy. The boy remained silent. He realized his mistake. He was ashamed and thanked the wise man. Then he promised that he would change and understood that time is precious. It should not be wasted. He went back home and started working hard to achieve his goal. He started doing his work on time without any delay and became fruitful. His family and friends started respecting him and he became happy. Remember, in real life too, time is more precious than gold. It is our most valuable asset. Our life's time is limited, so we have to use it wisely. There is a famous saying, "If you value time, time will value you. And if you waste time, time will destroy your life." Instead of wasting time on useless things, we have to focus on important work. We can achieve anything if we use our time properly. But if we waste time, we will lose our chances and later we will have to regret it. A passenger who misses a train for 1 minute understands the value of a minute. And a student who fails an exam understands his 1 year. So if you want to achieve something in your life, never be lazy and don't delay. Otherwise, you will have to regret it like that lazy person who could not reach the palace before sunset. Always use your time properly. Enjoy small moments with your family, spend time with your friends, and work to fulfill your dreams and goals. Only then will you be able to enjoy a fulfilling life. If you like the story, please like and comment on it so that more people can see it. I will come back again with another such educational story. Till then, be patient, be grateful, and move forward in life.